Okay, guys, before we starting the article presentation, let's pray according to our belief and religion. The pray is start. The pray is end. Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam. Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Namo Buddhaya. Salam kebajikan. Hello guys, how are you? Hopefully you are in a good condition. In this next occasion, we are the first group of DPS OSIS Kamtip candidate for the period of 2021 would like to present our article. Before that, let's start with Tepuk PPK. Tepuk PPK, religius, nasionalis, mandiri, gotong royong, integritas. Okay, in this presentation, our article has a theme, the impact of COVID-19 in Semansa. And the sub-theme is the lifestyle. Our article entitled, Among Us, Amazing Optimistic Changes by Ourselves. Before we continue the presentation, we would like to introduce our group member. Start from Cynthia. Cynthia, the floor is yours.
My name is Nikade Cynthia Rika Putri from 11 Social.
My name is Putu Eda Srianti from 10 Size 2.
My name is Imade Yudaswara Firyavan from 11 Science 1.
My name is Komanika Pasvidharma from 11.
My name is Gede Danako Ikanafari from 11 Science 2.
My name is Putri Fadi Pranyani from 11 Science 2.
My name is Madistri Udiantari Dewi from 11 Science 5.
My name is Putu Estu Junita Narayani from 11 Science 5.
My name is Putu Resa Putra from 10 Science 9.
That is our introducing. Let's move to our agenda. Our agenda starts from the background, the impacts, sleep pattern, learning patterns, entrepreneurship, health, and the last one is the conclusion. For the first one is the background.
Three months since the beginning of 2020, COVID-19 has entered Indonesia that causes many people have been confirmed positive COVID-19 and have claimed many lives. Bali is one of the centers of the spread of COVID-19, which is quite late, considering the island of Bali as one of the best vacation destination in Indonesia. This pandemic has forced us to keep our activity at home.
We, as students, are faced with the education problem. Since the communication among the Minister of Education and Culture of the Republic of Indonesia of teaching and learning activities have been carried out right from home. Numerous educational institutions were prepared for online learning due to limited facilities and geographical issues. Apart from education issues, health problems also need attention.
That's all the background explanation. We are next to the second agenda. which is the impacts.
This impact ultimately lead to change in our life, especially in the sphere of education. SMA Negeri 1 Singaraja had responded to this pandemic by merely adapting their teaching and learning methods that are now being carried out virtually. Initially, the students assumed that with their dismissal from school activities, they would be easier to carry out their daily activities. However, most things are becoming more challenging to actualize. The assignment and subject matters that we must understand is hindered.
Okay, let's move on to the new normal era explanation.
After President Joko Widodo announced that Indonesia had entered a new normal era, various new habits emerged and we must be ready to adapt. To make it happen, we need to make change in our lifestyle optimistically for the sake of making something amazing happen. There are various things that we can change to achieve a more positive lifestyle, and this change, of course, must start right away. To make a good change is never too late, but something positive will have more impact if it is done early. The following are some habits we can change, a habit or two that might sound trivial, but we should ignore them.
Let's move to the third agenda, which is sleep pattern. Anof, the floor is yours.
Well, if I would say, the sleeping pattern should be the first thing. Looking at the number of assignments given by teachers, and also we students are adding more elements to it by merely procrastinating. During the pandemic, we've got an uncertain sleeping time, which will indeed affect our mental and physical health. Therefore, adjusting our sleeping pattern is a must, since there will still be online lessons for the next day. If our lifestyle contains good sleeping pattern, the effect on daily assignments will not be as intense. A normal sleeping pattern is in the range of 7 to 8 hours per day. There are numerous ways we can do to change our sleeping habits. In the beginning, we can try to get a healthy sleep routine for the week. This is intended to form new and continuing sleeping habits. We also need to pay attention to our consumption of food and drink, such as avoiding the consumption of caffeine in tea or coffee more than 12 hours before bedtime. Therefore, it is essential to have a good sleeping pattern and to follow and digest the lessons online.
That is the sleeping pattern explanation. Now let's move to the study pattern.
The second should be learning patterns. As a student in this pandemic, we must be familiar with Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a substitute for our offline classes. At the beginning of online learning, students did not understand on how to use the applications. In addition to numerous lessons from the teacher with deadlines that are in a flash, causing a large number of students to become overstretched and exhausted. But every day, everything seems to go to the right place in a pace with the uniformity of learning applications. The assignments are made in an order with a full understanding of one's situation, and the deadline is notably extended.
For which, responding in options of student SMANSA should be able to manage our learning system so that we can also understand material. We need to form habits following the way we learn. What we can do is to sketch the material we are studying as interestingly as possible so that interesting in learning increases. Even though in a pandemic condition, with the existing technology, we can still learn together with friends. For example, by doing video call, so that learning activities are not a dull. And the measure our ability, we can do practice question in book or learn from tutors available online so that we will also understand the material more easily. We also need manage our study time much better.
Okay, that's all the study prudent explanation. Next, we move to entrepreneurship.
Future is entrepreneurship. First, early at school, as a student, we can use our pocket money to buy necessities and things we want. So that Smansa students begin to actively purchasing to help their parents during this crisis and also for their personal needs. Apart from eating, this activity is also a bit to be imitated.
Let's move to health explanation.
That's all be on the list. COVID-19 pandemic taught us to take care of our health from simple primitives. Washing hands, wearing masks, physical distancing seem to be an obligation. Some students that are having activities on school are obedient in wearing these health protocols. Some students also exercise a lot in their spare time to reduce their wearance. Other than that, as students are beginning to eat healthy kinds of food, and health is measured not only physically, also but mentally.
We shall know that all these expected changes lead to innumerable problems, and one of them will affect us mentally, especially for students. Most of them will have experienced stress, whether it was about schoolwork or due to other factors. Also, at the beginning of the pandemic, we naturally feel excessive anxiety regarding the fear of contracting this pandemic. So from now on, we have to pay more attention to our mental health and as other, because even though it's underestimated by some, being mentally healthy will significantly impact one's life.
Okay, the last part is the conclusion of this presentation. The conclusion of this presentation is all the lifestyle changes in this new normal era will have a significant impact going forward. No matter how small the changes are, if we do it with awareness and optimism, the small changes will be amazing. That's all our presentation. Before we close the presentation, let's do the tepuk PPK. Tepuk PPK. Religius, nasionalis, mandiri, gotong royong, integritas. Once again, tepuk PPK. Religius, nasionalis, mandiri, gotong royong, integritas. We would like to apologize to you guys if we do a mistake or a bad word and bad attitude. The last part is we would like to thank you. Sudah.